So this one might be short. Morrissey Falls is where we're going to go next. It's just west of Fernie, and I have to go up Morrissey Road, but it looks like the falls is actually just tucked kind of in behind the road, so it might not be much of a hike, and might not be much of a 4x4 session, so we'll see. Maybe a short video for you. The mountains we go! Switchbacks! Yeehaw! Spin, baby! Well, I followed the driving directions. I'm 12.2 kilometers up a mountain road. Let's go see if we can find a waterfall. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get down there. It's like frighteningly steep. By steep, I mean, I think it's a cliff. It says there's a walking path, but it's super steep, so I'm gonna keep looking. I think that looks like a path. I know it's still kind of sketchy, but let's do it. Once again, perseverance and fortitude have gotten me to where I want to be. I'll show you in a sec. It's still kind of scary. So I just want to show you. That's quite tall again too, but there is a rope, so I'm going to go down. Waterfall smile. It's really huge. It really is. Okay, I gotta figure out if this is the upper or the lower and what direction I have to go to find the other waterfall. Apparently, there's 2 more waterfalls I gotta check out. Okay, so there is a trail that connects both waterfalls, the lower and the upper, along the creek. There's a lot of water right now. Like, this isn't a creek to me, this is like a river. But there's the upper falls right there. Smiling! So this is looking straight up. There's like a nice little cave cavern in here. Very beautiful. I can kind of get behind the waterfall. Wow. No way. Dude. Waterfall! I'm gonna flip it. This is the coolest. I didn't think I'd do this year. Okay, so I'm super stoked. Again, worth it. That's a great waterfall day. Let's go find this other little one, and then I'm going to the hostel. Okay, so literally another 100 meters up the road. This is right on the road. I don't know why it's not in the book, but I'll show you in a sec. This is also actually a really beautiful waterfall. Check it out. Just a little side waterfall. Nothing spectacular, nothing to see. Because it doesn't have a name, and then I saw another one that didn't have a name today. The first one from the other video, I'm gonna call that one Case Falls, and this one's gonna be Vander Falls. Okay, Vander, I'm naming this after you. Case, the other video, I'm gonna put it in the subtitles because I didn't think of it till now. I didn't think I'd discover 2 waterfalls in one day. It's gonna be Case Falls. I love you boys. I miss you. I wish you were here. This is crazy fun. Well, I'm gonna call that a day. I don't even know how many waterfalls that is. Just a couple. Time to head back to Fernie, check out my hostel, have some borscht, go to bed. Okay, just one last clip. I have to tell you, I am as high as heck right now. I have a Rocky Mountain High. Oh, it's kind of scary. Well, I really did mess up. I should have brought my camping stuff and not booked a hostel because I kind of just want to camp here tonight.